Alright, I got a 2003 Ford F-150. The exhaust pipe cracked in half, so I bought one of those repair exhaust kits at O'Reilly's. It's extension tubing, so I'm going to cut about 4 inches back, the pipe back here, and I bought 2 clamps, so I'm going to clamp it, and hopefully it sounds a little bit quieter. Easy fix. Alright, I cut this piece off and bought the extension, the flexible repair kit, and what I'm going to do is put it in here like this, and we're going to put a clamp, a U-clamp here, and then I'm going to put it underneath. So I'll show you the video after I'm done. Alright, so this is what I did. I put the extension pipe on and clamps, and just going to tighten it up, and only cost about 14 bucks, 15 bucks, somewhere in there, and we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching.